CyberPower here, and I'm back with another video, and welcome to part 2 of my unboxing, because as you will see from the first video, when the CyberPower PC came, the case side panel was actually broken. So I made a phone call, and a very helpful guy named Dave from CyberPower actually, he told me to send some photos over to him, which I did, and then a few hours later I got an email saying, yeah, that's no problem at all, we'll send you out a new side panel, and here it is. So yeah, didn't think I had to do a second unboxing video, but hey ho, it's the way things are. So let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, now hopefully there shouldn't be any damages on this one, because before it wasn't that well packaged, I don't think, relatively speaking. I mean, there was like little air bags and stuff inside it, but that didn't really do much for the case. So, but you know, everything's looking so far so good. I mean, we got foam, we got more foam, and more, and more top and bottom of the case as well. So, okay. There we go. After removing all the foam, here is the new panel. Oh crap! He dropped it. He dropped it then. So yeah, here's a new panel in question, and it's a little dusty, but no big deal. Dust can be wiped off. But the important part is the plastic's all intact. You know where all the clips are supposed to be and everything. And at first glance, everything seems to be in order. Just show that over to the camera. So, as you can see here, all the clips seem to be in place at first glance. So we're going to go upstairs and pop it on the computer. Okay, so here is the old panel here, which I've had to hold in place there, as you can see, with some masking tape. Otherwise, if the masking tape wasn't there, then the case panel would just fall off. So, with a new panel that's come in, like so, we're going to pop that on, and hopefully it should just stay in place. So all that goes is in the bottom. There's like two little slots at the bottom where the case panel holds in place, and then all you gotta do is close it, push these two pins at the top, and voila, that's it. It stays on, doesn't fall off. So yeah, if I was to rate my experience with CyberPower, I'd say relatively a good experience. You know, I mean, obviously the damaged side panel wasn't ideal, but you know, sometimes that's what happens during shipping, so not much they can do about that. So on the overall, very happy, and I'm loving my new computer. So in the next video, we'll run some benchmarks and just go from there. See you all next time. Bye bye. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, favorite and subscribe, and I shall see you all next time. Bye bye.